What's the meaning of calorie? Calorie. Calorie.
Calorie. Calorie. A calorie is a measurement of energy. Specifically, it is the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. When people talk about calories in relation to food, they are referring to the amount of energy that food provides to the body when it is consumed and metabolized. The number of calories in a particular type of food can vary depending on factors such as its macronutrient composition and serving size. Understanding calories is important for maintaining a healthy diet and managing weight, as consuming more calories than the body needs can lead to weight gain.